Heavy blue robes dance to the sun. How's the sound? Your scarf, tassels of peach and yellow. Addressing the crowd, you said you never know what will happen. You never know where these things may lead. Smiling, noses pink, with chill December air. I felt your words landing as I stood there. There's a reason I run to the cathedral. Doors taller than my house. Light pouring through windows of colour. And following my nose, I take slow steps through the doors if needed. Seeing oneself in lights of shards, gaze up, my gaze up in awe. And I kept running back. I'm too old for this now, you said. But your eyes shone. Your cheeks, peach pink with radiance. What we let shine through can be felt in one glance. Heart pumping, I'd obliged your request to jump and dance. To jump and sing. Slight tilt of the head when you took me in. Well done, I said. Hand out, head tilted. And I told you what I saw. Light is glory seen in eyes. She knows the glory, I thought. Blue window. I always stand under it to take in the light. Favourite view of 1,000 favourites here. Window to the right, houses glass unstained. Glass and metal house the shape of a wave. What seems simple on first glance, depths unexpected, found in what first seemed plain. Hallelujah is a word of worship, whether published by the people's favourite poet or in sermon from lips of the chosen head. I've learned, held by feeling and sound. Audiences and feeling can be gently led. Kindness transcends language. Kindness given without measure of worth, so remove the stage. Now feet stand on the same earth, where bones were reverently laid in their graves. A spell known by any other name, who minds what it's called, and labels served until they no longer serve us. We sang Gloria, and our fathers' ears heard us. It is not the structure of the song that moves us, just a form for delivery of motion. Flesh, bones, brain and heart, for audiences, first reach these, then the healing can start.